Hi, this is Isha the Mad Scientist back here at the studio. Today I'm going to show you how to get a fuzzy ambient cinematic pad out of a guitar. Let's dive into it. The first thing you're going to need is a guitar. The clean tone should sound something like this. The first pedal in the chain is a fuzz, in this case the ZVEX Fuzz Factory, that should sound something like this. Now we're going to use the pog to get rid of the attack and have a swell, should sound like this. And you can use the high octave control to get some movement. Now to start adding ambience, we're going to use an analog delay like this. And then to get an even longer tail, a digital delay with more feedback. The next pedal in the chain is reverb, in this case a Strymon Blue Sky. Note that the mix and decay are very high. The last pedal in the chain is an EQ that I'm using to take out as much low end as possible. We put all the pedals together, a fuzz, a pog, an analog delay, a digital delay, a reverb, and an EQ. It should sound like this. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn about next. I will see you in the next video.